What is up, guys? This is FIFINE Tech Tutorial here, and today I am going to be reviewing the FIFINE Technology wireless microphone. Okay, if you guys seen my other video review that I made a few weeks back, you guys probably noticed that I made a FIFINE wireless microphone video, then to a different type of microphone, and I love that microphone so much that I had to get another one for a different case that I needed it for. But basically, this is the box it comes in, similar to the other one. You can see it's a very professional box, right? It's good quality, right? Not just some cheap cardboard. Okay, so now let's open it. Alright, it comes with the user manual. You can see here. And basically this is how the mic looks. So this is the handheld microphone, handheld wireless microphone, and this is the receiver, right? Okay, to the side, and this is basically just their card, I guess, thanking you for your purchase. Okay, so now let's move that, and here is the mic. Okay, so you can see this is the mic. It's normal size for a mic like this, maybe slightly a little bigger, but it's not like anything too big. It's easily you can carry it in your hand without it being too bulky or too big. Okay, so that's really nice. It has a nice feel to it, right? Good quality on top. Right here you would see the I guess the screen for when it connects to the receiver, and it will show you along what frequency it's connected on, right? And here's the on and off switch, back and forth over here. And on the bottom, right here, you will need to add batteries. So this is not a rechargeable microphone. This their microphones are generally with batteries, as if you guys see my other video, the other microphone was with battery also. So you will need to insert, I believe, 2 AA batteries here, right? And from other reviews, they do last quite a long time. Okay, so you wouldn't have to change them like daily or even weekly. They'll last you a while. So that's the microphone. So let me just put that on the side. And more foam. And this is the receiver. Okay, so you can see this is the same receiver as the other one, and the end goes into a sound speaker system, right? So if you want to connect it to something smaller, you will need the adapter. This doesn't come with the adapter, but they're relatively cheap online, so you can buy the adapter from basically anywhere online. So yeah, this is the receiver, similar to the other one in their other product, right? And yeah, it's really good. So I will now connect this, and you guys can basically hear how this microphone sounds, and yeah, we'll see from there. Hey guys, so now you can probably hear that the voice has changed, and that is because now I'm using the microphone, and you can see the voice quality is pretty good. I would say it's good, especially for the price you're paying. As you can see here on the screen, that the price is around $37, right? And for that, that's a really unbeatable price for a microphone like this, right? So if you go anywhere else, you're not going to be able to find a microphone at this price with this kind of quality and this kind of functionality. Okay, so my review for this is it's a really good product. I know I'm going to be using this microphone for many different cases, right? And yeah, all in all, it's great. So if you guys have any questions or comments about this mic, leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you guys want to actually purchase this, I'll leave the Amazon link down below as well, so you guys can purchase it for yourself or read more details about it yourself. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps us. And I will see you guys next time.